Good evening, everyone. My name is Marinel Kahibaybayan George from Magallanes, Cavite, Philippines, and I am the owner of Manel's Food Products. I currently serve as project officer of Tikme Food Producers Association and a member of the board of directors of Magallanes Business Owners and Community Multipurpose Cooperative. It was actually year 2021 when I first met the Catalyst Plus through Sir Matt Navalta. That was the time when we were just started to, put our feet back on the ground. That was after the pandemic, after the COVID-19. Um, I can still remember that during that time, I was just making a small batch of ginger tea just to support our basic needs. I don't really have the plans anymore to make the business big. Like I already lost the courage, the fire, the eagerness to move forward. And when I met Sir Matt and when he introduced me the Catalyst Plus, that was the time when I realized that there's still hope, that I can still um, dream, that I can still think big, that I can um, put or bring back the passion that I was once had before the pandemic came. So actually more than anything, Catalyst Plus gave me confidence, confidence to trust myself that I can do something better, confidence to make clear decisions, um, confidence in leading, not just in caring, and confidence in growing sustainably. When it comes to technical assistance and technical learnings, we've been receiving a lot of technical assistance from Catalyst Plus, and they were all very useful in sustaining and building our business or building my business. And I can say that three of things that I appreciated most were the practical use of artificial intelligence, the applied marketing, the digital, um, using the digital platforms, using the social media marketing. I also love the uh, preparing and making a clear and strong project proposal. I I actually applied all these lessons in several ways. Like I am now making our own project proposals. I can now use the artificial intelligence in creating better um, PubMats and um, social media announcements. And I can say that this really helped us create a wider market, a wider audiences, and this also help us promote our products. Recently, we were actually secured a budget of, it's an annual budget of 140,000 pesos coming from our LGU. So it was given to us for our programs, for TICME programs, and of course, we won't be able to do that without securing a clear and strong project proposal. So we are really very happy to share with you that aside from the budget coming from the local government unit, we were also secured a 400,000 worth of grants from the national government agency, and that's the Department of Labor and Employment. So it was through the submission of a strong and clear project proposal again that we're able to secure that grant. So we really want to thank Catalyst Plus with all the assistance, with all the learnings that you have provided us. I can say that Catalyst empowered me to turn passion into sustainable impact. It it didn't just provide benefits for my family, but it also provide benefits to the wider Magallanes community. It has also been a huge benefit to be part of the Catalyst Ginger and Turmeric Value Chain Partners, since it allowed me to build strong relationship with other Catalyst partners. Like last year, we were able to visit the ginger production facility of Prick, headed by Miss Teen in the province of Quezon, and we learned a lot of their best practices that is really very suitable in our small business as well. Early this year, I was able to collaborate with Miss Isabel Punsalan of Delphos Food Products, where we were able to help our local farmers save their tomatoes. So we were able to make around 2 tons of tomatoes and turn it to tomato salsa, which is now readily available in the market. Um, I can say that through the ginger and turmeric value chain partners, it helped me improve my production capabilities, since of course being a micro entrepreneur, we usually don't have that luxury to make a bigger space to allow us to process more. But as I said a while ago, with the help of Miss Isabel, we were able to save a lot of produce of our local farmers. So I can say that the ginger and turmeric value chain really helped me to value the collaboration and knowledge sharing. So, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thank you, Catalyst Plus, and thank you to all the advisors, as well as to Catalyst Plus Philippines, headed by Sir Matt. Thank you so much for walking with me through every challenges of rebuilding my small business after the COVID-19. Maraming maraming salamat po, and I hope to see you all here in the Philippines. God bless.